How about you tell us what we're about to do, Mark?
We're about to go jump off a 20-foot cliff.
Sounds good.
It'll be good.
Screw that. About to go off right now, where I'm gonna bite it hard. Wish me luck. This should be good, folks. Nice. That was beautiful. You okay? Are you okay, Rick?
Yeah,
Oh boy.
Richard?
Hello.
Can we get a zoom in of the eye?
Sure.
That's a beauty.
Mm-hmm.
That's just a beauty. Man, you got something to be proud of for.
Well, you know, they got some good footage.
Oh yeah.
So,
Mark, you hit him.
Hello, this is Young Richard reporting. Today we are back at Deer Valley and we're going to go take a look at the peaks that we were jumping off of so we can give you children an idea of the height of the jumps we're doing and the cliff. So I will hope you enjoy this fine footage.
Richard is wishing to get some revenge
Oh yes,
on the little Cliffy that we went over. So
Cliffy good.
Cliffy equals good. Goodbye.
This gives you just a little bit of a perspective of how high this thing really was.
You know, I'm kind of glad that I don't have to do this again, Rick. It's kind of intimidating.
This is pretty freaking big.
Yes, indeed.
Let's give you a little perspective here about how far the initial cliff originally was.
Yeah, we pretty much must have been on crack the day we were doing this, because there's no way I'd be doing this today.